Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got Straight Talk Home Internet and are trying to get everything connected for the first time, the setup process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people are unsure where to place the internet gateway, while other times the Wi-Fi name appears but devices still are not connected yet. Since Straight Talk Home Internet works through a wireless gateway, getting the setup right from the beginning can help improve signal and make internet access feel much smoother. The best part is that once everything is powered on and connected correctly, your devices should start using the internet without much trouble. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to set up Straight Talk Home Internet. Try these. Step 1. Place the Straight Talk Home Internet gateway in an open area for better signal strength. Step 2. Connect power to the Straight Talk Home Internet gateway and wait for startup lights. Step 3. Find the Wi-Fi network name from the Straight Talk Home Internet Gateway label. Step 4. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the Straight Talk Home Internet network. Step 5. Enter the password linked with the Straight Talk Home Internet Gateway carefully. Step 6. Test the Straight Talk Home Internet connection and confirm websites load normally.